What's up YouTube? Today I'm going to be making a hot matcha latte and an iced matcha latte. And these two drinks are more of the requested drinks that I've been getting from my TikTok channel. So I just want to give it a shot. Today I went to Coffee Bean and bought some of their matcha powder. And then I'm using oat milk. This is just the milk that I use personally, so you can use whatever milk you like. So I'm going to start off with the hot latte, and I'm using my espresso frother. It's a milk frother. It has a hot and cold setting. If you don't have one of these, you can probably boil the milk. I think that'll work the same. It also says you can use hot water if you want to do that as well. Here are the recipes it suggests. So for a hot matcha latte, you can add a 1/3 cup of powder to a 12-ounce mug with steamed milk or hot water. And then for an iced matcha latte, add a 1/3 cup of powder and 8 ounces of hot milk to a 16-ounce cup. And then you'll be whisking both of these once you're done with the milk or hot water. And then you can also do a matcha ice blended drink, which is one of their popular drinks at Coffee Bean. And you'll fill that up with a 12-ounce cup with ice. Use non-fat milk, pour into a blender, and add about a 1/2 cup of powder. So I'll probably try that next. But for this video, like I said, I'm doing the hot matcha latte and the iced matcha latte. So let's get started. And it's not bad. I think this can right here was $20 from Coffee Bean. So I have my measuring cup right here. Honestly, I don't know if this thing can hold 12 ounces of milk. So I might have to do it separately. So this one goes up to 8 ounces right here. If you have a 12 ounce or a bigger one, lucky for you. Let's pour this right here. 8 ounces equals a cup. On this. Boom. So in this milk frother, they have like a guideline you have to follow as far as, or a max. And right here. So yeah, 8 ounces is a max. So I will have to go back and do this. But this milk frother, I use this for my coffees a lot. Like, you know, hot drinks, macchiatos, and lattes and stuff of that nature. All you have to do is hit the button once and then it'll get to going. You can also do a cold setting right here. So if you wanted to drink a little frothy, you can do that as well. But we'll wait for this right here. So I know that I won't be able to whisk in this cup or coffee mug right there. And this is probably one of the best options I have to make sure I can whisk it. But I'm done with the first 8 ounces. This process right here might be a little tedious, I ain't gonna lie. But we'll do it. So again, I did 8 ounces and now I have to do 4 more. And let's get to it. 4 right there. Pour that in. And then let's start this. Let's put the top on and keep the heat inside. Just one click of a button and you know, it'll do its own thing. All right, so now we're done with this. Again, I'm pouring in 12 ounces of steamed milk. I feel like this might be too much for my mug. Hopefully it works. But let's go ahead and get a 1/3 cup. So I have my measuring cup. It's a 1/3 cup, just like the recipe calls for. And then we're just gonna get that right. It says to sift it. No, well, this doesn't say to sift it, but I've seen another video on TikTok that said to sift it. But that's also why you do whisk it. So let's pour that into the steamed milk. And then let's stir it up. No, I'm kidding. All right, let's stir it up right here or whisk it up. Glass, and then just pour that in there. Boom. I had a little bit left over. So if you like to order these, it's super easy to make at home. I would suggest to get it. Let's put this to the tester. Oh yeah, this right here is legit. You gotta try this if you like matcha. All right, so let's get to the iced matcha latte. It's really the same steps as far as the process goes, but you're using 8 ounces of hot milk or hot water instead of 12 like a hot matcha, but you're doing the same thing. You're putting it in a frother or boiling it, and then you'll whisk it, and the difference is you put it on top of ice. But yeah, that's it, real simple. So let's get to it again one more time. You can use whatever milk you want to use. I got Chobani oat milk, 0 sugar. So let's pour 8 ounces. There we go. And let's put that in here. Boom. Now put the top back on. There we go, one button. If you hit it, if you hold it for a couple seconds, you can do a cold setting. All right, so let's get into it with the iced matcha latte. We're done with the milk right here. 8 ounces of hot milk or hot water. So I'm gonna pour this in here. Again, same steps as a hot matcha latte. Then I'm gonna get a third cup again. Shake that up. Boom, boom, boom. All right, so a third cup. Drop that in there. Now let's whisk it up. All right, so I have my cup right here, my clear cup for the ice drink. And yeah, I'm just about good, so let's pour that in. Boom. I'm just topping this off with ice and then I'll be done. The ice cubes in there. Sorry, I don't have any fancy ice cubes, but you know, this will do. Just a couple handfuls of ice. And get that little stir. And as you can see, we got the iced matcha latte. It'll probably take a while to cool down, but let's just give it a sip real quick. Definitely legit. If you don't like matcha, you know, I probably wouldn't suggest this drink, but if you are curious to try it, or if you're a big fan of it, go get you some. I'm not promoting Coffee Bean, this is just the one I have. But Coffee Bean, if y'all see this, you know, you can send a couple cans over for your boy or my girlfriend, she loves it too. So that's it right there. I made matcha 2 ways, an iced matcha latte and a hot matcha latte. Super easy. I'm using the matcha from Coffee Bean. You can use the matcha from wherever. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and drop a comment down below if you like matcha or what's your favorite matcha powder. So that's it right there, matcha 2 ways. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Iced matcha latte, hot matcha latte. There you go, real easy.